So, you've been diligently growing your acorns, watching your investments sprout and blossom. But now, it's time to harvest. You need that money in your bank account. Maybe it's for a big purchase, a rainy day fund, or simply because you want to consolidate your finances. Whatever the reason, transferring money from Acorns to your bank account might seem like a daunting task. But fear not, money-growing friend. We're here to guide you through the process, step by step. Let's talk about Acorns. It's a popular investment app that lets you invest spare change. It's a great way to start investing without thinking too much about it. But, like any garden, it needs tending to occasionally. And sometimes, that means transferring your harvest to your main bank account. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's clarify something. Acorns offers two primary account types, Acorns Invest and Acorns Checking. Each has its own process for transferring money. We'll cover both. Transferring from Acorns Checking. Let's start with the simpler of the two, Acorns Checking. Think of it as your everyday checking account, but with a few extra perks. Transferring money from here to your regular bank account is pretty straightforward. Log into your Acorns app. It's your command center for all things Acorns. Navigate to the checking section. This is where you'll find your checking account balance and transaction history. Look for the transfer out option. It should be pretty obvious. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of how much you need. Select your bank account. This is where the money will land. Make sure it's the correct one. Confirm the transfer. Double-check everything before hitting that confirm button. And that's it. Your money should be on its way to your bank account. Typically, these transfers take a few business days to complete. Transferring from Acorns Invest. Now, let's tackle the investment side. Transferring from Acorns Invest is slightly different because, well, it's investments. Log into your Acorns app. Same as before. Navigate to the Invest section. This is where your investment portfolio resides. Look for the Withdraw option. It might be hidden under a menu or settings. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, this is selling a portion of your investments. Select your bank account. Again, double-check that it's the right one. Confirm the withdrawal. Take a deep breath and hit confirm. There's one crucial thing to remember when withdrawing from investments: timing matters. If the market is down, you might end up selling your investments at a loss. So, it's generally recommended to transfer money when the market is doing well. But, of course, timing the market is notoriously difficult. Additional tips. Check for fees. Some banks or financial institutions might charge fees for incoming transfers. It's worth checking. Factor in transfer times. Remember, transfers take a few days. Plan accordingly. Consider tax implications. Withdrawing from investments can have tax implications. Consult with a financial advisor if you're unsure. Security first. Always prioritize security. Make sure you're on the official Acorns app or website. And there you have it. Transferring money from Acorns to your bank account isn't as complex as it might seem. With a little planning and these steps, you can move your money where you need it.